Hey my friend, it's Cameron Malcolmson here, and in this video I'm going to share with you the secret to internet marketing, and this is video 2 of the 7-day Limitless Lifestyle Way video series that we're bringing out, and there's going to be another additional 2 bonus videos that I'm going to share with you at the end. So this is video 2, like I says, and this is really the secret of building an internet marketing business, and it's the secret internet marketing blueprint that you can use, and it doesn't matter what business you're in, okay? Whether you're an existing business owner, you're an affiliate, you're just getting started, you're a coach, consultant, any one of these types of business models, you're going to use this secret internet marketing blueprint that I'm going to share with you in this video, my friend. So they're all going to use this same blueprint no matter what business model you're in, okay? And it's pretty simple, okay? This is going to be the blueprint for this program moving forward, and it's basically what we're going to be building. So hopefully these ideas are super simple, and these ideas you can pick up conceptually and understand of where all this stuff fits together and what it kind of looks like. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to have in the secret blueprint is a vehicle, okay my friend? Now the vehicle can be many different things. It can be a lorry, it can be a car, it can be a motorbike, it can be an airplane, it can be any one of these types of things. Okay, and what the vehicle is it's going to be your product or service, okay? And whatever it is that you're going to be making money with, okay, that's going to be the thing that you're going to be promoting. Alright, and the vehicle equals your product or service, okay? So just keep that in mind, that your vehicle is your product or service. Now, number 2 is we're going to be building an engine that drives that vehicle, okay? And your engine is going to be your marketing system, alright? And I'm going to show you how to build this here. Now, let's see here. This is what it kind of looks like. So we've got your vehicle, which equals your product or service. Then you've got your engine, which is your marketing system. And what we're going to be focused on is the marketing engine, okay? Number 3 thing in this secret blueprint is fuel. And fuel is going to be traffic, and that is visitors, okay? And we're going to fuel the engine with the traffic, and the engine is going to produce leads and sales for the product that we're promoting, okay? So if we have an engine and we don't have any fuel, it's not going to work, okay? And if we have no vehicle, then none of this is going to work, okay? So basically this is the secret, and the vehicle equals your product, okay? This is 3 things that you have to have. You have to have an engine, the marketing system, which I'm going to show you how to build. Then you're going to have fuel, which is traffic and visitors that's going to come to your marketing engine, your marketing system that's going to warm up leads and convert them into sales, okay? Now what we're going to do is we're going to identify your vehicle, okay? Then we're going to build the engine that drives that vehicle, alright my friend? And once we build that engine, that is going to be our marketing system, the engine. It's going to drive leads and sales for the product or service that you're going to promote, okay? And once you've built this here, all we have to do is fuel it with traffic and visitors, and that's fuel the engine, my friend, okay? Which will run the vehicle, alright? So the engine's going to run the vehicle, the fuel's going to run the engine, alright? And this is the secret internet marketing blueprint, okay, for a marketing business. And this is what it looks like. So if you have a vehicle, okay, you build an engine for that vehicle, then you fuel the engine for that vehicle with the best fuel on the planet, right? And then that engine is going to drive the vehicle, okay? Now really the only thing that we kind of have to do here is build the engine and then fuel the engine, and then we can find the product and things like that there. Now this is the secret, my friend, and this is what we're going to be tackling in this 7 days, this 7-day video series coming up, and the few bonus videos as well. So I'm assuming here that you might already have a product or service, and this is going to be your vehicle, which is great, okay my friend? And if you don't, then think about something that you'd really love to dive deep in on, alright? So here's some examples. Let's say if you like food, you don't necessarily have to have the vehicle, alright, to be able to do this, because what I'm going to teach you here is how to build an engine that drives any vehicle. So it doesn't matter what the vehicle is today, it can be something different tomorrow, but you still run your engine, okay? You're still fueling your engine. Now the engine is going to be niche specific, okay? And there's 3 main markets that you can go into that's the most profitable, okay? And they've been identified as the most profitable, which is the wealth niche, then you've got health niche, and then you've got the relationships niche, okay? And if you're already in one of these niches, that's great. You're sorted. You can move on to the next lesson. But this is going to be this is the market that we're going to be building the engine for. Okay, and inside each main market, there's going to be a different sub niches. Okay, so it's going to go like wealth, but we're not going to be just tackling wealth. There's going to be like different niches inside this here. So for example, wealth, you could have internet marketing niche, you could have the real estate niche, you could have investing niche, you could have other different niches like that there. So you want to decide what kind of niche you want to go into, what's your vehicle going to be. Then in the health niche, you could have diets, you could have workouts, you could have supplements, you could have different things I guess here that you could choose that your vehicle is going to be built around. Okay, then you could have relationships, and we have lots of different sub niches in there as well. You could decide if that's what you want to do, you can go into that niche. Okay, build your engine around that there. Now what we're going to do is I've shown you the secret for internet marketing. Then we're going to be building the engine for whatever your market is in. Okay, so we're going to build the engine for that niche specific market. Okay, and like in the health market, you could build an engine for like gluten-free people. Okay, so your niche could be health, and then you can niche it down to gluten-free, and then you build your engine around that gluten-free thing, and then you can plug in different gluten-free vehicles in the back, okay, while you fuel the engine. Alright, which is really, really cool. For the relationship niche, you could go into mental health, and you could have like an engine that was built around mental health, and you could have different products in there for that, if that's something that you wanted to do and help people with. Okay, but if you already have a niche, like I says, that's great. But if you don't, then I want you to decide what niche you want to go into. Wealth, health, relationships, then sub niche it down, my friend. Okay, then for me, my niche is affiliate marketing, and that's a sub niche of wealth. Okay, just as an example. Okay, but you want to decide like what would you love to go deeper in on, and what you would love to help more people about, what type of people you would like to be around, like who would be your ideal customer that you would just love to work with, and who wouldn't be maybe your ideal customer, maybe you wouldn't like working with these types of people. Okay, you want to decide who is your sub niche, what's your sub niche going to be. Okay, and this is your task, my friend. You want to decide what your vehicle is. Okay, and then in the next video coming up, I'm going to show you the systems that go into creating your marketing system. Okay, and it's very, very simple. It's nothing too over the top. Okay, so like I says, later on, in this video series, we're going to be building an actual engine. I'm going to be showing you how to do it, things like that there, that drive the vehicle. So whatever your vehicle is, and your task for today is decide what your vehicle is. If you don't already have a vehicle that you're going to build this engine around, then we're just going to fuel it with the best fuel on the planet, my friend. And it's super simple. It's as simple as that there. And that was the secret, my friend. Okay, so I want you to watch out for the next video coming out, where we're going to be tackling this system and what actually goes into building the system. Okay, and then like always as well, if you want to fast track your learning, I'm going to leave you a link below that you can register for the Limitless Lifestyle Blueprint course, and you can fast track your learning experience there as well. If you can't wait for the next video and you just want to get in and start doing things, I'm going to leave you that link below. Have a great one, and I'll see you in the next video, my friend. Peace.